a desert isle, hid in old Kronos sea, a land of emptied noise, a land all still, where moments old and new have time to be, and simple things bear yet an ample thrill. Far, far from tranced heights where lights are loud, from titillated sense and densest joy of consequences heavy, mid the crowd of thoughts intense that energies employ. An isle, I say, where thought is brought to naught, and bid not be. An isle where on the world of worry, full compressed by pression wrought, is for all aeons more to the ocean hurled. This is enough for me, and I will stand alone, alone, on one forgotten land.